Hello, just a quick one from me today. I just wanted to show you the new collection, some of the stock pack that I've got for my DT work with Lottie Loves Paper. And this one is the, Pink Fresh Studio Out and About collection. So this is just like the front cover of the paper pack, just showing you the different patterns on the papers. So this is really nice pack actually, because although it's called Out and About and it is sort of travel themed, it's a nice bright travel theme, and it's also got papers in here that you could use on your days out, just family days out, or generic scrapbook layouts too, that don't have to be anything about travel theme really. So this one is sort of like a sort of Google Maps road map type paper. I will show you the other side in a minute because I've turned the other half of the papers over to show you the B-sides. This one is really nice. Circles with doodles in between, and you've got so much to see and explore. Adventure is worthwhile. Everywhere, here, there, everywhere. Pack your bags, let's go, let's get lost. So some quite nice travel things on that one. And this one's your cut apart with Into the Wild I Go, Losing My Way, Finding My Soul. Oh, there it is. Sorry. I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list. So some nice cut aparts you can use there as sort of journal cards. There's sort of like little tags down there. Okay. That's that one. This one is a nice one. I love these type with the black font on them. We live in a wonderful world that is full of beauty, charm and adventure. There is no end to the adventures we can have if only we seek them with our eyes open. Really nice script on that one. This one is a lot of geotags, and every now and again you've got a couple of words in there. Enjoy the journey, travel buddies, pack lighter, go further, into the wild, new places. So that's quite nice. This one is sort of like a small postage stamp type pattern, with just sort of like train symbols, paper aeroplanes or aeroplanes, some random numbers, fly, see, yay, fun. So you could either cut those up or use it as a background maybe. Oh wow, I hadn't actually looked at these papers before I'm showing you, and this is the first time I've seen this one. Oh wow. So you've got dotted lines going along that side of the page, so you could even cut it so you use that half as a generic, and then this half you've got all the different sort of travel symbols, icons on there. I love that. This one's a nice lively page. It's all the different travel words and sentiments and things, all in nice big scripts, different fonts. It's quite a fun one, that. So now we're going on to the B-sides. So this is the B-side of the map page, which is arrows and diagonal lines, sort of all crisscrossing in a sort of woven pattern. This is one of those that makes your eyes go funny if you look at it for too long, or it looks 3D. It's a sort of dark orange reddy colour with the sort of hexagonal triangular pattern in it, and then there's really faint, I don't know whether you can pick it up from there, the lighting, it's really faint dots within the background as well. So again, that one can be used as a generic one, it's not travel themed in any way. Same with this one. triangles, arrows. And again, that's another one that you can sort of like look at, and it looks a bit 3D, like those sort of magical pictures, you know, where a bit pops out at you. This one is globes within some sort of doodly sort of circles. So again, quite generic on that one. Ooh, rainbow papers with the sort of gradient lines of a map and occasional trees on the mountains maybe. I quite like, yeah, that's quite a nice one. Another sort of generic-y one, not really travel themed. Circles and sort of diamondy shapes. So a nice grey toned down one of all the icons, the travel icons, symbols. Would make quite a nice subtle background paper for that one. And then this one, I love the colour of this. And this is sort of like your, yeah, it's sort of like the miniature version of the other side, but with one sort of just a monotone thing there of all the different sentiments, again just in a smaller size. So that's your papers. And then I got 3 of the add-ons with this collection. I got the sorry, let me just check what they are. The ephemera pack, which has got 45 pieces in it. The stitched frames, which there's 6 in there. And I also got the mixed embellishment pack, which is these. So you've got your enamel dots at the top there. Love these colours. Travel fun, sort of Miami Beach type one there, and just sort of map and a few along the top. And then this is the other part that comes with this, and these are all embellishments with foam dots on the back to give them that extra dimension and make them pop off the page a little bit. So they're all sort of like little tags or embellishments. So let's get to the ephemera pack. So we've got sort of journaling spots and tickets, and E for explore, D for discover, more tickets, enjoy the journey, lost. That's what me and Rob do quite a lot, is get lost, just wander around and get lost. And I'll tell you what, it's the best way to see some places, especially like when we were in Venice, just to wander down alleyways and get lost. And it's a way that you find all the sort of hidden treasures that aren't in the guidebooks, that you would miss otherwise. Well, I was just waffling on, I was just picking these up. So you've got like prone to wander, again, getting lost, vacation time, keep on exploring, this moment, dream destination. There's a little arrow. Love this view. You are here. Walk, wander, explore. It's an itinerary. My daughter would love that. She's always making lists of what she needs to do and where she needs to go each day. Me and Rob, we just sort of like plan the general direction we're going to go and find what we find when we're on our way, sort of thing, really. W for let's wander. Rome. And lots of little speech marks, speech bubbles with sayings in, more tickets, some quite nice different shapes, the hexagon shapes, and oh, that's a sort of different shape to have on your have on your layout as well. My Happy Place, a semicircular one, magical. So it's quite a nice lot of different things. Savour this moment. So not one best day ever, not one, I would say apart from the vacation, it's not over Americanized either. So it's pretty UK friendly for most things, apart from national parks. We've got our national parks, I suppose, as well. So yeah, not too bad there. I quite like those. So that's those there, and then just the frames left to show you. So these are stitched. So these have got some sort of stitch, like machine stitching on them in each place. So this one says Getaway Relax. You see, like they've stitched the tree on and the sun on in the corner there. This one, Outdoor Adventure. Wander, Let's Be Adventurers. It's quite a nice one with the gradient rainbow paper behind it. Sorry, I couldn't remember then. Around Town, Let's Go on an Adventure. That'd be a nice one, like a day trip out to London or your nearest sort of city, capital city. Adventuring, Let's Get Lost. And Tourist Mode. Again, it doesn't have to be holiday based. That can be, we sometimes play tourist in our two local cities to us, Bristol and Bath, where we don't always appreciate what's around us, and we don't always appreciate visit the tourist spots of those cities. So sometimes we'll just take an odd day and actually be tourists in our own towns. So again, doesn't have to be holiday as such. It can be just days out, or yeah, I quite like those. Those there. So watch this space for what I'm going to do with all of this. Okay, and as I said, all of this is now available, and there are other pieces to this collection. There's an alphabet, and I think there was another ephemera pack or embellishment pack of some sort that I didn't choose. So, and they're all available on Lottie Loves Paper, which I will link the website and the Facebook group down below for you to go and visit if you like what you've seen. Okay, see you soon. Okay, bye.